How to apply coupons on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching your AliExpress application in your device. After which, make sure you are logged in into your account. To apply the coupons on your AliExpress, firstly you will have to purchase the item of the website or the app. In order to do so, just browse for the product or just tap on the product suggestion. From here, you'll be able to easily purchase the item. Tap on the option of Buy Now. After which, select the quantity and required size or shades and tap on Continue button. In here, you will have to add a payment method. Right at the bottom of payment, you will find the summary option. On the subtotal, you will find the option of promo code. Click on it. In here, you'll be able to type in the coupon that you have. Just make sure you type in correctly. Then tap on the apply button. If the coupon code is valid, you will receive substantial discount regarding the product. And that is how you apply coupons on your AliExpress. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.